everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and in this video we are going to talk about fragrances. I will be reviewing two new perfumes from Body Cupid's newest range of perfumes. So yes, they have launched a completely different line of perfumes and I cannot wait to spill the beans on the two variants that I have with me. So let's dive right into the video. Alright, so let's talk about packaging first. Now the outer packaging remains same. It's the same old white cardboard box with golden print and golden sides. Only the shape and size is somewhat changed. But the inner bottles have changed quite a lot. Now the earlier one, the existing range, comes in such a packaging. It's a square glass bottle with golden caps and I really like this packaging as well. However, I feel that the new range is very nicely packaged and I really like the bottle. It gives a very luxurious feel and it's somewhat like this. Now, this is a dome shape kind of bottle which has a similar shape cap as well. Really sturdy and the dispenser or the spray is also really good quality. So overall I feel that this packaging is much better. Because the kind of luxury feel that it gives, a luxury feel that it gives, and it really looks nice, on your side table or even when you're traveling with it. So I really like the new packaging a lot. So this new range is priced at ₹999, that is essentially $1,000, and I feel that this is a fair price given the packaging, the ingredients used and the longevity of the perfumes. However, I have a good news for you guys that the brand is running a few offers right now and you can get these perfumes at a really good price if you check out the links in my description box below, and you can thank me later. And now let's talk about the perfumes themselves, the variants that I've got, because that's the most interesting part, ain't it? Alright, so the first variant that I've got is Tuberose Love, and as the name suggests, yes, it has top notes of rose and a couple of other, floral notes as well. However, it is, floral is not what is dominating the fragrance. It is more on the muskier side. It has base notes of vanilla and musk and I really like it. Now Body Cupid has launched rose based fragrances in the past and those were like really rose fragrances, but this one is the perfect blend of floral and muskiness and I really like it because I always bend more towards vanilla scents, muskier scents and earthy scents. So for me, I think this is just the perfect blend and it's a very feminine and, if I may say, it's a very sensual scent, to be honest, and it's a perfect evening or night perfume. Alright, so the second variant is Jasmine and Orange Blossom, and as the name suggests, it's a blend of floral and citrus notes and I absolutely love this one more than the first variant, to be honest, because Jasmine, I feel, is a very powerful and very nice fragrance. It uplifts your mood instantly and I've always been a fan of jasmine fragrance and it has bits of citrus notes in it, and if you have seen my earlier videos on fragrances, you would know that how much I love citrus and musky scents. So yeah, I have a more of a bent towards this particular formula because it has got the best of all the worlds and this is a perfect scent. It can be used for night, it can be used during the day as well. This can be used to office as well. So I really like this one. This has to be my favorite out of the two, and if you're just planning to get one, I think go for the Jasmine and Orange Blossom if you are like me. If you are slightly more towards floral, then you should go for the Tuberose Love. Otherwise, this I think is slightly better. Both are good, but my preference would be slightly towards the Jasmine and Orange Blossom one. So yeah, these were my very short quick reviews on both the variants. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you guys very much.